What is up, guys? Welcome to today's trade recap. Today, I didn't take a trade even though I should have, and I keep committing the same mistakes over and over again. So, yeah, my daily bias, I was low-key, leaning bearish, but obviously we are at all-time high, so I can't really fade the all-time high narrative. So, if we had gotten like something like obvious for shorts, then I would have been okay with it. But if we're gonna be bullish, then I'm just not gonna fade that, and that's what ended up happening. Um, so going here, I wanted to see a sweep this high and like tap this hourly fairly up and get an immediate reaction out of it. We didn't get an immediate react. We didn't get any immediate reaction out of it, and we ended up like closing above it, like being obviously bullish. And we ended up opening up this 5 minute fair value up here. Um, this is where the trade that I should have taken is. We ended up tapping the 5 minute, as you can see right there, and we got this 1 minute inverse. And I was looking for longs, honestly. I was looking for longs after we had this close. Okay, I said, okay, yeah, I'll look for longs. The only problem as to why didn't take this shit is because I told myself, okay, I would love to see us get an SMT with this low and have like yes trade into the 15-minute fair value gap. Or like either in Q or yes, I don't really care. Right? We had the 15-minute fair value gap right there. And it was pretty close. We came super close to it, as well as in Q. Yes. Like yes came so fucking close to it. And I really wanted us to see us tap the 15-minute fair value gap, like get an SMT with it and then get longs. And I had the idea on my head that that was the trade that I wanted to take. And I keep doing the same shit over and over, bro. I keep asking for way too much, and I overthink the setups way too much. And yeah, that's where I fuck up. But we're obviously at all-time highs. Like we're obviously super bullish out here. We trade into the 5 minute fair value gap, and boom, we get an immediate 1 minute inverse. Like if we're gonna be bullish, this shit i- like if we're gonna be bearish, or like if we wanted to go lower, this wouldn't get inversed. But if we inverse it, respecting a 5 minute fair value gap, we're obviously gonna be bullish and go higher. And so yeah. And then on NQ, on MNQ, we ended up taking previously high, which was also all-time highs. But on NQ, we made equal highs. Wait, what? Oh, that's the wrong day. Shit. Okay, on NQ, we made equal highs, as you can see right there. We made triple equal highs. Let me make this a bit bigger. So I was still bullish up to this high, and I was still willing to take a trade if we don't take out this high. And that's pretty much what we got. We ended up sweeping this low, and we also tapped this 5 minute fair value gap right here, and we got a 3 minute inverse. Um, and you could have taken this stop maybe like mm, right here, like 1 minute fair value gap on OB, and then take profit at 1 to 1, like right there. Um, Now I didn't take this again. Uh, Again, I was asking for way too much. If you go to a 15-minute fair value gap, we had this 15-minute right here, which we had created after this move down. So I really wanted us to see us tap this 15-minute fair value gap. I wanted to see something like this. And yeah, and again asking just asking for way too much. Um, and it's not really needed. Like, and I also think we got an SMT here. Let me check. I'm not even sure. Yeah, we kind of had an SMT. It's kind of weird. Yeah, we had an SMT, I think, I guess. It's kind of weird though, but yeah. But yeah. And is this a trade that I should have taken? Honestly, I think that it was okay that I faded this long because it was super premium as well, and we had like this on-field 15-minute fair value gap. Um, but yeah, but I mean, and the reason that we didn't need to go to this 15-minute fair value gap in the first trade. So this 15-minute fair value gap ended up opening up at 9:45. So 9:30, it closes at 9:45. So it closed here, and that's when we opened up. But we ended up trading into this 5-minute at 9:40, right? At like 9:40, we traded into a 5-minute. So once we trade into this 5-minute, before we open up the 15-minute fair value gap, the leg is already rebalanced, and the 15-minute fair value gap doesn't need to get traded to. So this should be a breakaway gap. And yeah, that's kind of what I failed to realize. But yeah, and the way that I was seeing it, this one, since it wasn't like we didn't rebalance a 5-minute before creating this 15-minute value gap right here, I really wanted to see us stop that one. Um, but yeah, and I think that it was okay that I faded this long because we had the 15-minute kind of close, like we were 14 points away, and we could have easily seen like kind of like a stop out of this low, like a raid, and then continue going higher. So I think I'm okay with not taking this trade, but I should have taken this 1 minute long right here. And yeah, uh, definitely something to learn from. And again, I keep making the same mistakes, so I just keep asking for way too much, and that makes me have a super low trade frequency. Like if we go to my stats, like look at this shit. Like like first week of September, one trade on Tuesday, and then one trade on Thursday. No trades again until Thursday, and then same thing, no trades again until Thursday. So not the best trade frequency, and that is what I gotta fix. I just gotta stop being so fucking picky. And yeah, this wasn't like a super obvious continuation long that I should have taken. And yeah, something to learn from. Um, and yeah, that is pretty much it for today. And yeah, peace out.